Alright, so let's take a look at long division. So what we have here is we have 1 divided by 11. So let's go ahead and use long division. Alright, so the number on the bottom here is always going to go on the outside. And then your numerator is always going to go on the inside. And notice the number on the bottom here in our denominator is bigger than the number in our numerator, right? So what we're going to do is we need to know where our decimal place is. Okay, and that's going to be very helpful. So let me move my decimal place up here. And we ask ourselves, how many times does 11, let me use my little laser, how many times does 11 go into 1? Well, we know it doesn't. So we're going to need a 0 right here. Okay, because 11 does not go into 1. So let's go ahead and add a 0 right here. And now we have our new question, right? How many times does 11 go into 10? Well, again, we see that it doesn't. So we put 0 because it doesn't fit. Alright, so now we have our new question. Let's go ahead and add another 0 here. And you could see we might have to extend this. How many times does 11 now go into 100? And the answer is 9, because 11 times 9 is 99. Alright, so this number, we're going to shoot it underneath the 100. So we shoot that number right here. Alright, and then we subtract it. So we go ahead and we get, when we subtract those two, we just get 1. So now we ask ourselves the same question. Okay, so once we go ahead and subtract, remember, you always bring down the next number, which in this case is a 0. So let's go ahead and bring down the 0. And we ask ourselves that question. How many times does 11 go into 10? Well, we know it doesn't. And for that reason, again, we're going to shoot down another 0, right? And we ask ourselves, how many times does 11 go into 100? And we already saw that was 99. So put a 9 right here. So this 9 times this 11, we already saw is 99. So we put down the 99 right there. And we could see this is going to continue forever. This pattern right here of 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. So what we could do if you want to stop right there is you could just put a line on top, because this pattern is going to continue forever. And we could have also put the line for your answer. You could have just put 0.09 with the line on top, because we know that's going to continue on forever. So let me know if this makes sense.